We are going to be riding my go-kart around because we haven't started in a while.
We got fresh gas in here, checked the oil, got the chains lubed up and some hubs greased up and things like that. Got it running good so he can use all 8 horsepower on this 2012 beast here. And so here we go.
Yep, it's going to be riding my go-kart round, seeing how it runs.
Here he comes around the tree. There he is. Really nice tires on the back. A little on the bumpy side. It will pop out. Here we go! Looks like the brakes work awesome. That ran me over. That's all right. Alrighty, and there we are.
So that's pretty good riding for today. Leave some more videos that are mine, shown like on here on screen. But well, that's enough riding for today. And
looks like it's all working pretty good. The brakes work really good.
Yep, and
except for almost running over the cameraman, but
yeah,
we'll work on that part.
And next video I might do some work on it and maybe go camping with it out in a field. Well, see you guys in the next one.